Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 16th December 2021. In the international market, Treasury yields jumped on Wednesday after the Federal Reserve said it will accelerate the reduction of its monthly bond purchases and signaled 3 interest rate increases in 2022. Currently, there is 120 billion bond purchases going after the tapering plan was announced and after the recent yesterday's reduction in the existing bond buying program. November, there would be a tapering of $15 billion, December $30 billion, and January 2022 $60 billion of monthly purchases will be reduced. Projections for the rate hikes: 3 rate hikes coming in 2022, 2 in 23 and 2 more in 24 is the expectation. US 10-year closed 3 basis points higher at 147 and 30-year 4 basis points higher at 186 on Wednesday. Conclusion: Fed is now watchful on the inflation situation, but at the same time it gets confidence on the US recovery and the growth aspects. Crude is stable, trading at 74.48. Range is 73 to 77. In the currency market, dollar index DXY is at 96.41. DXY's today's range 96.12 to 96.53. It seems dollar index will be range bound and more or less for now it has peaked. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 637. USD INR weakness continued yesterday as well with a high of 76.24. USD INR closed at 76.24 near day's high. Support at 75.95 and resistance at 76.25 for today. Trading strategy in the currency, as we discussed, 76.20 was also taken out, but now FOMC is over and the verdict on tapering and the future rate hike is clear. Night research expects USD INR to consolidate near 76.25 levels. In the domestic markets were waiting for FOMC meeting verdict and hence the market activity was dull. 563 2026 closed at 569 versus 568 the previous trading day. 610 2031 closed at 5636 versus 635 the previous trading day. OIS curve: 1 year at 430 versus 428, 2 year at 480 versus 478, and 5 year at 536 versus 534. OIS curve is indicating the tightening expectations across the globe. Asset managers paid fixed to hedge the existing positions, and the OIS curve would go up with 2 more large central banks coming out this week. Trading strategy for domestic market: the market is expected to be range bound. 610 2031 at 98 or 637 has been the money churner and we expect the same, but this time wait for further deep in 610 2031 today, if any. Trading range for 610 2031 634 to 637. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.